Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll see how I made the Midori insert on the left. That's the one I've made. And on the right, that is the original insert the Midori came with. That it fits exactly into my Midori. And I've already got some inserts in there. So without further ado, let's see what materials we'll need for today. So I've got my Rhodia pad. Usually I would take only about 8 to 10 pages because I like the inserts to be relatively thin. This is number 19. This means that when you rip the paper off, the paper itself will be A4. I also need a pair of scissors, of course, a pencil, a ruler, a score, something to poke holes with, but I usually just use my needle and some thread. That's basically all you need. So let's get started. First, you take your paper and you measure how wide the Midori insert is. Score the paper, you can fold the paper in half. You do this for each of the paper you have, plus the cover page. Put the paper back into one booklet and score it one final time. This ensures that the booklet will lie flat. Here you can see for the cover I've just used standard cardstock. I folded in half, scored it, and enclosed the booklet within it. Now we're ready to stitch the insert. Using the saddle stitch, we need an odd number of stitches. Place a mark in the middle at 10.5 centimeters, then make markings at 1 inch or 1.5 inch increments. Next step, you take an awl or something to poke holes with. By perforating the holes, you make it easier for the needles to slide into and out of the holes. Ta-da! And we're almost there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to thread our needle. The length of the thread should be about 2 times lengthwise of the insert. Make a knot at the end, and then straighten the thread. Holding the insert in front of you, rotate it into a comfortable position. Put the needle in the central hole, pull it through the hole from inside and out. Leave the end inside the insert so that we can use it to tie it at the end. I've inserted a little animation to help you see this better. Essentially, you want to keep threading in and out until the top. Then you double back on the other side and you go through all of the holes. Then from the bottom you go up to the middle hole and that's where you tie the ends off. And this is how it looks like in real time. After you tie the knot, you tighten the ends and you snip the excess off. In the last stage, we are going to trim the ends off the booklet or the insert that we've made so that it's the exact same size as the Midori insert. So the one that I have in the front is the original Midori insert. And we're going to trim the booklet so that the ends that we don't want we can actually use for hand lettering practices because it's still Rhodia paper and we can still make use of it.